artists, let's dive into the Lyra Rembrandt Charcoal Set. For full transparency, Lyra sent me this set to try, but I'm not getting paid or pressured to review it. That said, fresh art supplies in my hands, you know I can't resist a good review. So what's inside the box? Mine is already opened. I unboxed it live with my members last week. Epic for the stream, not ideal for this video. So picture this as brand new. We've got a mix of carbon and charcoal pencils plus blocks, a kneaded eraser, a blending stump, a sharpener, and a charcoal vine. Carbon versus charcoal. What is the difference? Both blend like a dream and go on super dark. Carbon is essentially graphite mixed with charcoal. So it's slightly less messy than charcoal, but has that subtle sheen of graphite. Charcoal stays matte. Mix them if you want, but I prefer all charcoal or all carbon for consistent shine across the piece. Totally personal, go wild and use them together if that sparks joy. That sharpener, genius for charcoal. It crafts a short, sturdy point that is not going to snap like sharpeners that are going to leave you with the longer point. For charcoal, this one is perfect. Now time to see the charcoal in action. I build from the back to the front, background first. I'm going to lay down the charcoal and then use my kneaded eraser rolled into a ball and dab that onto that background to create the look of distant trees. Smooth blending hack. If you apply your charcoal pencil directly to the paper, it's not going to erase completely. It will erase, it will lighten, it'll get nearly back to the white paper depending on how much pressure you had applied, but it's not going to go back to completely white. So the trick is to instead take your charcoal pencil, scribble it on a scratch piece of paper, and then take your shading tool, load that up from your scratch piece that you just scribbled on, and apply that to your paper. Anywhere where you shade with that method will erase 100% all the way back to the white of the paper, in a way that applying your charcoal pencils directly to the paper just can't. This demo is a beginner-friendly live stream lesson. More about that soon. So time was tight. I couldn't spend 3 hours perfecting each blade of grass, but I still wanted to create the illusion of tons of detail. So to do that, I created a soft mid-range tone, then used my eraser to pull up my highlights, then my pencils to come back through and lightly sketch in shadows and deeper values. Variation is key. You want to push it from pitch black all the way to stark white. If you play it safe and stick just to midtones, which feels more comfortable at the time, the work will be flat and boring. Extremes are going to help fool the eye into seeing depth and details, and you can accomplish that in minutes with charcoal. This set includes H, HB, and 2B pencils. H is firm and precise for crisp details. 2B is soft, inky, and smudgy for bold shading. HB splits the difference. New to charcoal? The differences might not be noticeable to you at first. So in that case, simplify. Grab the H for your finer lines and details, and the 2B for your shadows and fills. Skip trying to use every hardness available. It confuses beginners. And 2 pencils nail 99% of the results anyway. Now there's no white charcoal pencil here, which isn't really charcoal, that would be chalk or pastel, brand dependent. So I am using a bright white paper. I adore colored Canson Me-10s for charcoal, but the white is going to let the paper's brightness show as my highlights when you don't have that white pencil. Pro tip, the smooth side of any Canson Me-10s is charcoal heaven. Are you craving real-time guidance? Pencil stroke by pencil stroke? Join me at patreon.com/Lachri, where you get this and over 400 other lessons in tons of mediums for just $6 a month. That is a treasure trove of art growth. That price might rise soon, so lock in the lower price now and let me help you take your work to the next level. For areas that I was going to need to be able to erase back to white, I shaded in with the shading tool first, just like the background, and then was able to erase my highlights. Then I come back through with a pencil for my fine details and to deepen the value. Don't draw every strand. That's zombie cartoon territory. Hundreds of lines just scream fake. Study light and dark clumps and the overall shape to create the look of natural fur. Charcoal is an amazing medium that I feel every artist should be using, even if your favorite medium is actually colored pencils or paint. Charcoal is inexpensive and fast. It really helps artists to focus on their values and to practice sketching things like the shape of fur and hair, or the shape of trees and bushes. Because it's so fast, you can practice more of that in a smaller amount of time. Then you can take what you learned in charcoal and apply it to your slower mediums. With it being such a fast medium, it really allows artists to progress in their skill levels faster than working in a medium like colored pencil, where one piece might take you weeks. Whereas a project about the same size in charcoal, you could get done in about a day. You can fill a sketchbook with studies and practice pieces in no time. What you master in values and understanding shape with charcoal can then be applied to your favorite mediums. So back to the review of this Lyra Rembrandt Charcoal Set. Everything in the set, from the charcoal to the carbon to the eraser and even the sharpener, performed beautifully. My only complaint is that you can't buy the individual pencils open stock. So when you use these up, you need a whole new set if you want more of this specific brand. Now on the flip side, it is the perfect gift for an artist. Get someone this set and a pad of Can't Send Me 10s, and that artist now has a professional set of supplies for not a lot of money. It's quite the budget-friendly gift that any artist should love, or get it for yourself. My only other thing is that I would have liked to have seen a white charcoal, again, not really charcoal, but a white charcoal pencil in the set. That's just me being picky because I personally like using white along with my black pencils. But that minor complaint was pretty much voided out when I realized later that they do make 2 more sets that are bigger that come with hard pastel blocks in gray tones or warmer brown tones if you want to spend a little bit more money. Still pretty budget friendly for what you get. So my complaint about the white charcoal, completely voided out because it's actually available. I think Rembrandt did a great job with this set. And at a great price, especially if you're looking for a gift for another artist. I will have my Amazon affiliate link in the comments for you if you want to pick this set up. Don't forget the Can't Send Me 10s to go with it. Again, if you want to follow this lesson with me in real time, pencil stroke by pencil stroke, head over to patreon.com/Lachri. For as little as $6 a month, you get this and over 400 other lessons. Let me help you take your work to the next level. YouTube thinks you want to watch this video next, but let me know in the comments, were they right about their suggested video for you? I'm curious if they're better at picking videos or if I am.